Write Editor X on Google and press Enter. Click on First Website and create a new site. Editor X and blank canvas. There are so many, but let's do with blank canvas. Now here it appears where website will be built and designed. Here we can see options on left by clicking here and on right by clicking here. So let's get started. Let's click go on page to make sure it is selected, and let's change the color into whatever color we need. So I chose this one, and let's move to this panel and change the text of it. 2022 by XYZ, the name of person, and let's say by Saturday. Now let's change the title. Now let's change font style by selecting it and add basic. Change the number, and here this is the option, the paragraph, and update theme, and apply over here so it will be saved for next time. Here we go. Moreover, let's click here to resize it by adding 70 VH, and 600 would be fine. So that's how it looks. Let's now add an element, that is an image, and choose the image from your computer by uploading media and upload from computer. So it is uploading. We're gonna select it and update it. So here we go. We will resize it and select it. So here we go. Okay, here it is. Now let's add a grid 2 by 1 and apply. Here we go. We have two different panels. Let's move here and add a text as a title, and I will go with, let's say, bottle 500 millimeter, and let's replace it and change font. Here we go. More options, and to save it as a theme for next time. Great, here it is. Now let's resize it and replace it. Okay, great. That's how it looks now. Let's change logo. You can add your own logo, but I will go with media from Wix and choose anyone. There are so many options, so let's see. We can use maybe this one and add to page. Here we are. Great. Now let's add something else called as button. Let's find it. It is over here, and drag it and add it. We'll change the text and write down, let's buy now. Yes, here we go. And let's change the menu to add more options, submenu, by add a new and subtitle, home, and this is the first home. Add another one, let's say information, and here we go. Okay, so I added home twice. Let me remove it. Okay, here we go. Let me remove it. Change menu, and let's click on it over here and remove from menu. Okay, here we go. We're done with the first page, and that's how it looks. Okay, now we can add animation, and I'll go with floating, and that's it. We're all done with first page. Let's go down and press this sign, add section, and let's go with the grid, and this time will be 2x2 and apply. Here we see 4 windows appeared. Now let's add image, and I prefer copy pasting one image. You can add image and description, it's totally up to you, but as far as we have done that already, I'm just gonna do copy and paste, and let's resize it, and I think that's fine. One more click to be in the center. Here we go. So copy paste 4 times and resize, replace. Okay, and the last one. You can always change everything. That's how it looks like, our website. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and wait for our next video.